Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your currency on PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are paid in British pounds, but you can't convert that or transfer that to your bank. How do you actually go ahead and convert currency on PayPal? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your PayPal account. Next, we're going to click on Manage Money and then click on View Money page. Now, there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead about doing this. This is just one of the ways. But here you can see that we have British pounds. We're going to click on Convert Currency. And then this is the exchange rate that it's going to give us. And then click on Next. And simply just follow the on-screen prompts. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and convert currency on PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.